Peace. We know that from time to time Jamaican entertainers get a bad rap that they don't do enough to give back. But we know that many artists take the time out to do so. We're seeing where Busy Signal and Charlie Black, and I have seen even Conscience keeping Back to School treat before, and we see it where Idona has his foundation. We see where Ninja Man also has his foundation that has been doing some very good work in recent times, and other artists have been giving back in a very meaningful way. We saw where Jack Cure gave back to his basic school just recently. You understand what I say? Now we're seeing where the unruly boss Popcaan decided to take the thing on a real practical level and decided to lead a protest in his home parish of St. Thomas for Bad Road. One thing about it, may I talk about that a little still. I'm soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Dancehall artist Andre Sutherland, more popularly known as Popcaan, yesterday led scores of placard-bearing residents through the town of Morant Bay in St. Thomas as they peacefully protested what they described as the deplorable conditions of the roads. Before making their final stop in Morant Bay, Popcaan led a convoy of vehicles through the eastern end of the parish with stops at major communities including Bath, Dalvey, Golden Grove and Port Morant, where more residents joined in on the protest. Popcaan, who is originally from York in the parish, said that they are protesting the entire main road in St. Thomas, leading out of Kingston and going into Portland. We have been trying to get the government's attention for a while now, and still no change. St. Thomas is a parish where we don't have a lot of things, but right now we're just asking for the roads, he said, adding that he has decided to use his influence to assist in getting the parish the necessary attention and help it needs. Another cabbie quickly chimed in, saying, "We're tired for them dig out 10 potholes and fix one. Something must be done and we'll not stop ball until we see a result." Admitting that a song could be written, recorded and released lamenting the poor state of the infrastructure, the recording artist noted that he chose to take a less passive stance. "I could do a song about it, but that would just be a song. Enough time artists sing songs say road want fix and nothing happens. So I rather take action and let them see that we are serious, even though we're not doing it in an outrageous way. We're not blocking the road or anything, but them still a see it and hear a voice," he said. Popcaan said that he would not point fingers or call names, but that he knows that there are people responsible for the improvement of the parish's infrastructure and they know themselves. Popcaan went on to say, "Uno don't know man and rule it, but a peace and road may I defend. If them don't come talk to you about fixing the road, we'll be returning with loud and bigger protests. Might all keep a stage show," he added.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, it was good that Popcaan can take the time, to go back to his home parish to link up with the youths in the street to see issues and is actively taking steps to address them. And one of the encouraging thing here is that it was done in a peaceful manner. You understand? You never see no man a burn no tire and a cut down no tree and a cut down no road, no tree cross no road and them something there, and a fling no stone and them something there. So that was a plus, that was a positive move, and I have to encourage that. You understand? It might seem as something very trivial and something very small, but if each entertainer in the country with the influence that they have go back to where they hail from, seeing and identify some of those problems and try to take active steps to help and address them, the country will then progress a little. You understand me? I say some people are going to say the artists them not own nobody nothing, but at the end of the day still you have influence and you would have made it out and you want the other youths them to make it out and you can help pave the way. Saying you do that, you understand me? So all the entertainers who have been taking the time out to give back. Shaggy has been leading that left, right and center for years now with his Shaggy and Friends concert at the Bustamante Children's Hospital. Many other artists has come on board. You understand? I saw Sean Paul giving back recently, contributing some money to somewhere. I don't remember exactly where, but artists have been doing this from time to time, and it is very, very good, and hope it continues. And it's a good look. And Popcaan, I respect the move. You understand me? I say? So hopefully the protests wouldn't have fallen on deaf ears, and there will be some action soon. Zane, good example. What the man them can look upon this and learn from it and follow. My God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.